How to get Honda radio code. Radio codes protect your audio system safe from thieves, but you'll need to enter your radio code to get it working again if you take it out of your car or disconnect the battery. Your owner's manual comes with a little card with the radio code printed on it. You'll probably need to reset your Honda's radio system when you have routine maintenance or repairs done, like a new battery. Fortunately, this is a simple solution, as you can either manually enter your Honda radio code to regain access to your vehicle's audio system or hold down the radio button until it automatically resets. So, let's learn how to get your Honda radio code. You can effortlessly find vehicle radio codes for any Honda model or configuration by following the guide below, regardless of whether you need to find it for your Accord or Civic sedan, CR versus SUV, or Pilot crossover. Here's how to retrieve the code. 1. Look inside your glove box for a sticker with the radio code. Alternatively, consult the owner's manual of your car on the sticker. 1. The same credentials used for your Honda navigation system will also be required for your Honda radio code, which has a specific serial number. 2. By visiting the Honda website, you can get online access to your radio code. The link is in the description. 2. Entering your zip code, phone number, email address, radio serial number, and VIN number, which may be located on a sticker on the driver's side door, is all that is required to obtain the code online. 2. Your code will then be delivered to you in a matter of minutes. Are you learning from the video so far? Great! You won't want to miss out on our future content. So subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. How to find your VIN number. You can find your 17-digit VIN number by looking 1. On your vehicle's registration. 2. On the driver's side, at the base of your car's windshield. 3. On your statement from Honda Financial Services. 4. On your insurance certificate or insurance identification card. 5. On surveys sent by American Honda Motor Company, Inc. to new owners or customers regarding their satisfaction. Please take note that letters I, O, and Q are not permitted in valid VIN numbers, only the letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 are. If the 17-digit VIN number fails to work properly, double-check to make sure that the letters and digits have not been inadvertently reversed and that the letter O has not been used instead of the number 0. How to find the device's serial number. Finding the serial number of the device you want to unlock can be done in a few different ways. When looking for your serial number for the first time, please be aware of the following. 1. If you own a 2013-2014 Odyssey or Pilot, system initiation does not require a radio navigation code. 1. For additional information on how to activate the radio navigation system, please consult your owner's manual. 2. If you have a Honda model from before 2001, the serial number can be found on the device's rear, and you must make a service appointment with your neighborhood Honda dealer. The anti-theft ID card that arrives with the vehicle is the first place to look. When it is delivered, it usually goes in the glove box. On a sticker found inside the glove box, the dealer may have placed a label with the serial number for specific models. Serial glove box number. Why is your car radio always asking for code? Your car radip is likely asking for a code as part of its anti-theft feature. Most car radios have a security code that needs to be entered after a power loss or disconnection from the battery. In the event that the radio is stolen or taken out of the car, this will stop unauthorized use of it. The radio code usually appears on a card or is included in the car's manual, and it may have been given to you when you originally bought the car or the radio. You might need to get in touch with the automaker or a dealership if you don't have the code or you're having trouble finding it. The code may occasionally be printed on the radio's face or a sticker inside the glove box. Multiple incorrect code entries could lock the radio and prevent it from working. If this occurs, you might have to wait a while or go through a certain reset process in order to unlock the radio and give it another shot. In order to prevent future inconveniences or issues with your car radio, It's critical to maintain your radio code in a secure location that is also simple to reach. How to enter the radio code? If you know your radio code, you can enter it by pushing the right preset buttons on the stereo head unit. For instance, if the code is 22143, you press the 2 key 2 times in a row, next to the 1, then the 4, and the 3. You should now be able to use the stereo normally after doing this. Make sure the code you inserted is the correct one, unless the radio will remain locked. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.